A question has arisen as to what salary should be given to an officer who is promoted to a higher post but does not fulfill the condition regarding the minimum number of years of service in the lower rank staff. It seems reasonable that in such a case the officer concerned should not be given the full benefit of the salary attached to the higher post till he has completed prescribed minimum length of qualifying service stop. Government has given careful thought to the whole matter and decided that the starting salary in such cases should be the minimum of the grade of the higher post staff, less the amount due from increments which have not been earned by the officer concerned in the lower grade for the period he is short of the minimum prescribed staff. As a concrete case, if an executive engineer in the PWD B and R branch who according to the rules staff can be promoted as a superintending engineer only after minimum 7 years of service as an executive engineer is actually promoted after 5 years salary stop. He should be given a starting salary of rupees 1500, the minimum of superintending engineers grade stop, less rupees 80% to increments of rupees 40 each of the executive engineers scale stop. The point in this illustration is that whereas the sudden in the salary on account of promotion remains intact, the officer with less than minimum number of years of qualified service in the lower grade does not start with the same starting salary in the higher grade who satisfy the rule in respect of the minimum period stop.